Hello and welcome to Mini Course, your gateway to bite-sized learning. Today's lesson is all about understanding literature and studies, its definition, characteristics, purpose, and contents. Let's get started. What is related literature and studies? Related literature, as a generic expression, refers to all information that has a substantial bearing on the study at issue and whose source could be quoted appropriately. As a matter of practice, this generic expression is divided into two classes, the related literature and the related studies. Related literature as class refers to books, periodicals, magazines, newspapers, legal reports, and other published materials containing facts, laws, theories, and documented observations. While related studies refer to theses, dissertations, and research studies substantially characterized by the presence of the following parts: research problem, hypotheses, objectives, related literature, methodology, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. The review of related literature serves the following purposes. 1. It provides formal and scholarly data proving that there is sufficient reason to pursue the problem. 2. It provides a learner's understanding of the problem of the study, the circumstances surrounding the problem, and the approaches to pursue the study. 3. It provides the needed comprehensive information of underlying theories, concepts, and principles which are essential in developing the theoretical and conceptual frameworks. 4. It is the documentary proof that the current undertaking is filling in a research gap. 5. It is the proof that the current undertaking is not duplicative of any other work. Now, let's move to the characteristics of related literature and studies reviewed. 1. The materials must be as recent as possible. This is important because of the rapid social, political, scientific, and technological changes. 2. Materials may be as objective and unbiased as possible. Some materials are extremely one-sided, either politically or religiously biased. These should be avoided. 3. Materials must be relevant to the study. Only materials that have some similarity to or bearing on the problem researched should be cited. 4. Materials must not be too few but not too many. They must be sufficient enough to give the research insights into his problem or to indicate the nature of the present investigation. Ordinarily, from 15 to 25 may do for a master's thesis, and from 25 and above for a doctoral dissertation depending upon the availability, depth, and length of discussions. The numbers, however, are only suggestive but not imperative. These are only the usual numbers observed in theses and dissertations surveyed. For an undergraduate thesis, 10 or more may do. And there you have it, a glimpse of related literature and studies. I hope this information helps you in your research journey. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us in our mini course.